Hello once again, Internet. It's me, Carmen, coming right back at you. And today I want to talk about whether you, yes you, should buy a computer on eBay. So as many of you may know, I'm an avid tech nerd, kind of. I really like technology, computers, cameras, whatever electronics I can get my hands on. But I often don't have a lot of money to play with compared to some like tech YouTuber or something. But I like to have good gear, and I still like to mess around and tinker around with things. I didn't used to really use eBay. Well, I did and I didn't. As a kid, I started out, I bought some old Apple computers on eBay. An iMac G3. I think I still have that around here somewhere. I think I took it apart one day just to see how it works. A couple other computers, different knickknacks. And then I grew up. I didn't really go on eBay much until I started working really for myself. And I was working, like, making enough money I could actually buy some things. So I started going on eBay again and looking at computers. Computers on eBay can be a mixed bag, but if you know what you're looking for, it's an awesome way to go. Like, there'll be a lot of different computers out there say Windows 7, fast, easy, whatever, blah, 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 that are set up to look as generic as possible. Usually I always look past those listings, and I look towards the listings that are more technical, like if it's like from a lot of computers that are used in the school or something like that. But it depends. You can find some really good bundles. Mainly it's about knowing your specs, and I'm not really going to get into that in this video, but like the processor, memory, and hard drive space and all that, what brands you're looking for. Like Lenovo ThinkPad is a popular laptop that's good in the enterprise market, and a lot of times I'll buy those because all the ThinkPad laptops I've bought have been really high quality, durable machines. I usually look at the feedback rating of the seller, maybe at the individual reviews if they have a few negative ones to see what the points are. If it was something that isn't a big deal, I take that into account too, whether I do business with a seller. I did want to touch a little more on feedback scores. I pulled up a seller here that I've bought from before, Safe Electron. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it. They have if I zoom in here, I'll show you, a 99.6% positive feedback rating. So what does that tell me about this seller? So let's go there. Feedback, positive, neutral, negative feedback from the last 12 months. Let's look at it and see what sort of feedback they have. So I'll zoom in so you guys can see it. Thanks, we'll do business again soon. As described, fast shipping, super fast shipping and awesome quality. Great seller, highly recommended. So these are sort of positive feedback ratings you'd look for, of course, if you were actually looking at someone's profile. I'd look for a feedback rating between like 98 and 100%. Anything below that, you might still want to buy from someone, but I'd definitely give it a little more scrutiny. Let's look under neutral. You don't usually see many neutral ratings on eBay. Order on 7/19, didn't ship till 7/24 and arrived on 7/31. No reason given. So if you're looking for a seller that ships like really quickly, this might not be the one for you. Slow shipping, not from USA. They do say you're from China here, so I guess that's kind of a mixed bag. Kind of know what you're getting in for most of the time. If the seller's overseas, you're going to be waiting a while for shipping no matter what, even if they ship it the same day because of customs and all the complications. There's not too many negative reviews. Like if we look 12 months, there's been 916 positive, 6 neutral, and 3 negative reviews. So that's pretty good, honestly, I'd say, for an eBay seller. Of course, there's going to be a few frustrated people, and sometimes you'll not even see any negative ratings at all. It depends how big the seller is, how good they are about being timely. Some people are just going to like have a negative stance no matter what, but it's good to look at the feedback ratings because you might find some issues that you never had even thought of. So you see here, no slow shipping and no communication, defective tripod, and seller won't respond. So that might be a rating to keep in mind, but I think most of these positive ratings outweigh it. Exactly what I wanted. Fast shipping, A++++ seller, A++ seller, fast, easy, great communication, arrived very fast. So it seems like they actually do have decent shipping speed for the most part, even though their location is far away. We also don't know where all of these people are who bought the items. They sell a lot of Japanese chopsticks, but that's besides the point. This is just an example to show you guys how the feedback ratings work on eBay. But really, as long as they have a good feedback rating and everything goes smoothly, I've never really had many issues buying computers on eBay. I had one where I bought it and I got a really good deal on it, but the processor ended up actually coming loose in the socket on the motherboard, so I ended up selling that computer for parts. So pretty much, I would say buying computers on eBay isn't really a bad thing to do. I would just look at the feedback rating, figure out kind of like what you're looking for, and really hone in on what you're thinking about buying and why you might use it. check the condition, of course. They'll list if it's new, like new, used. Usually a reputable seller will have a couple of photos of the computer itself. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for this video. A little perspective, just personal, nothing analytical. So that's my take on it. Would I buy a computer on eBay? Yes. And should you buy a computer on eBay? It all depends. I might follow up on this topic in a more in-depth video in the future. But for now, guys, that's going to be it. Thank you for watching. I hope all of you have a good one. And peace out, everyone.